Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Winda Nur Rahma. I'm a law student at Unismo Purwakarta. On this occasion, I will discuss a very important topic that affects your daily lives, namely law. The law is the basis of every rule that we follow in society. Without the law, social life would be full of uncertainty. However, what exactly is the law? Where did it come from? And how was the law formed? Let's delve deeper into the law and the sources that make it up. Law has a big role in your lives. Without the law, life will be full of uncertainty. Then, what exactly is law? And where did it come from? In this video, we will talk about the kinds of law and the source that make it up. Law is a system of rules that govern people's lives. It provides guidelines on what can and cannot be done, as well as establish a sanction for those who violate them. The law aims to create order, justice, and protection for every individual. However, the law did not appear out of nowhere. There are several sources of law that are the basis of the existing legal system. The first source of law is the law. In Indonesia, laws are made by legislative institutions such as the House of Representatives and stipulated by the President. This law regulates various aspects of life, ranging from the right and obligation of citizens to the regulation that govern the government. An example is the 1945 Constitution of the Republic of Indonesia, which is the constitution of your country. In addition to the law, there is also jurisprudence, which is court's decision taken in a case and become a guideline in subsequent case. Jurisprudence is important because it helps provide interpretation of the law and fills existing legal vacuums. In addition, custom is also an important source of law. Habits are rules that develop in society unwritten, but are considered valid and binding. For example, in summaries, long-standing customary customs are recognized by positive law as part of the norms that govern people's lives. Another source of law is the doctrine, which is an opinion or theory put forward by legal experts. This doctrine plays an important role in the development of the law because it can influence the perspective of the public and lawmakers in drafting new rules. And last but not least, international treaties are the source of law that govern relations between countries. International agreements bind participating states to abide by agreements that have been made, such as those enshrined in the UN Convention on Human Rights, which govern the protection of human rights at the global level. Law itself divided into various branches, each regulation a different aspect of life. Civil law regulates relationships between individuals, such as treaties and inheritances. The criminal law regulates acts that are considered detrimental to the community and sanctions for violators. Constitution law regulates the structure of the state and the relationship between institutions. All of these branches work together to create an orderly and just life. Law enforcement is key to ensuring that laws are applied fairly. Police, prosecutors, judges, and lawyers all play a role in keeping the law enforced. Without them, the law would only be word written on paper. In this ever-changing world, the law must be able to adapt to the times, be it in the field of technology, the environment, or relation between countries. By understanding the source of law and the underlying principle that exists, we can all play a role in creating a better and more just society. Because in the end, the law is for all of us. It can be concluded that law is the basis for order and justice in society. Law is formed from various forces such as laws, customs, court decisions, and international treaties. Without law, social life would be full of uncertainty. Therefore, the law plays a very important role in creating an orderly and just life. Okay, that's all for me, and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.